PS apps keeps on glitching. How to fix? So to fix the PS app keeps on glitching, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi and kind of data. And if you are still connected to strong Wi-Fi and data, and if you're still and your app is still glitching, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and simply turn it back after a few seconds and see if it's still glitching or not. And if it is still glitching, then you just need to open App Store on a device. And after opening the App Store, you just need to search the PlayStation app. So after searching the PlayStation app, you just need to make sure that there is no update available for the app on App Store or Play Store. And if you see any kind of update or update button it is instead of open, then you just need to click on it and make sure that your app is up to the latest version available. So if you have not updated the app, then that may also be the reason your app may be glitching. So simply update it and try to use the PlayStation app again. So that's it. That's how you can fix the app glitch on PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.